So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create this weekly planner here, where you have the days on the left side and a long to-do list on the right side. And this will take you no longer than 1 minute. So let's start. First, you want to open the Create page, reset the design, and then choose the personal size. Okay. Now, our planner has 7 boxes on the left side and 1 on the right side, which means we will choose a layout that has 8 boxes in total, like this one down here. And next we will have to add the notes box, those with the grids, to the left side to create our daily boxes, like this. Okay, and then on the right side we have a long to-do list. So let's select a to-do list and let's also make the checkboxes round and black. And then let's increase the number of rows to 27. So next we also need to change the headers to Monday, and then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and so on. Saturday and Sunday. Also change the name of the to-do list and let's call it to-do. Next, we want to open the styling panel and we want to choose a seamless style. And then change the color to black, change the line color to gray. And then lastly, let's open the text panel. And now let's align the headers to the left side. And here you go, one planner under 1 minute. So this planner can be used as a weekly planner, but you can also use it as a meal planner and just replace this shopping list, and then just replace this to-do list with a shopping list.